In this video, I'll give you a basic demonstration of how to export data from Salesforce using an online tool called Workbench. You can access Workbench by going to workbench.developerforce.com and then logging in with your Salesforce org credentials. It'll then look like this and it'll be connected to your org, ready to extract data. Now, when you first log in, you'll be at a page like this where it offers you a variety of different operations you can conduct, whether you want to insert, update, upsert, delete. But we want to export data, and there's no option for exporting per se, because you do that by running a SOQL query, which is Salesforce Object Query Language, and then creating your query, and then it will export the results of that query. So it makes it very simple. Even if you don't know SOQL, that's no worries. You just got to follow the prompts that it gives you. So in my case, I just want to do a simple export of all the different accounts in this org. I'm currently connected to a Trailhead Playground org, so there's not many records to get, so it's just a simple demonstration. So you can select whatever object you want to export. I want to select the account. I'm going to say, which fields do I want? So in this fields area, it imports or shows you all the fields of whichever object you select up here. So this is all the different fields of the account object. So I'm going to go for a few. I'm going to get account, whether it's active. Let's go create a date, account ID, get the name. Let's get their phone number. And account type. If you want to see what your export is going to look like, you can press query and run it as a list, and you'll see what it's starting to look like. And then you can make changes if you wish. So I'm happy with that list. I do want to just add a filter so that I'm only seeing active accounts. So first I want to go filter results by active, and it equals yes. And then I want to sort the results by name. So I'm going to say sort by name, A to Z, nulls first, and I'll run that query again. There we go. So I've now got only active accounts sorted by name. Now I want to get a CSV of this. So instead of list, I'm now going to say bulk CSV. Press query. You can see, all right, status is completed. We exported 10 records. Now there's two options here, just so you don't get confused. This is going to download a little text file of the SOQL query that you created. And this icon here will give you the actual CSV file. So if I click on that download icon, you can see it's downloaded our batch results. And if I open the file, I can see this CSV file, so I could use that in whatever way I want. But that was just a simple demonstration to how you can use the online tool called Workbench to export data from your Salesforce org using a SOQL query. Hope that helped.